on February 9, 1895, at YMCA gym in Holyoke, Massachusetts. A physical education director named William J. Morgan wanted to create a game for older members who found basketball a bit too violent. He called his new invention Mentonet. It was designed to be a blend of basketball, baseball, tennis, and handball. It is a gentler way to stay active indoors. A man named Alfred Halstead noticed something. He watched the player constantly volleying the ball back and forth over the net. He suggested a much more fitting name, which is the volleyball. The name stuck. In 1910, the sport reached the Philippines, brought over by Elwood S. Brown of the YMCA. But it was Filipino who truly revolutionized how the game is played. In 1976, it was known as the Bombardino or the Manila Bomb. In 1947, the Federation Internationale de Volleyball, or the FIVB, was founded to govern the sport on a global scale. Here at home, the Philippines Volleyball Federation, originally known as the Philippine Amateur Volleyball Association, it became the long-standing organization